Okay, this is Monday, August the 23rd, 2021. About 85, 86 degrees, 12:23. We're on Tilly Mill Road, Dunwoody, city limits. Humidity is about 68%. It feels like it's about 90. North campus of DeKalb College used to be up here, but I guess this is Perimeter College now. I think it changed the name and went 4-year college years ago. I think we'll turn the air back off and roll the windows back down. Peeler Road will take you over to whatever that road was a while ago I mentioned coming out of there. Close right there at the DeKalb County Waterworks. We did these houses for the Cowards and the Marchmans right here back in the 70s. All these houses here on the right. North Peachtree Road to the right will take you up to Mount Vernon? To the left will take you down to 285. We will be going left or straight. I guess we'll go straight. I can't remember these roads. It's been a long time up here. Yeah, there's a college campus now. I guess it's Perimeter College. Still own Tilly Mill. And Lake Springs, I think that goes into that subdivision. We worked for the Marchmans and Cowards probably in the 60s. Maybe early 70s. These houses here on the left. Okay, we're going to go left and we're going to go right through Dunwoody. Right up there at that red light is Mount Vernon. To the right will take you over into Gwinnett County. To the left will take you right down through where we're going through Dunwoody. Okay, what we got going on up here? This is a scrambled egg here, isn't it? speed racer coming up on us. Metal Lake, yeah, we did all those down there for Coward Marchman. And I think this street right here, one of these streets along here, Forest Springs, that may be it. Maybe down a little bit further. I don't know. That they were making liquor in it. Two guys one night, they blew the whole house up. That would have been probably late 60s. Beermack Road will take you over to, it's not Shamley, maybe Shamley Dunwoody. Wilshire, did all those in there. Cowards and Marchman's built a lot of houses. I have no doubt people watching these videos, some of them live in a house built by Coward or Marchman. Let me know if you are, if you know it for sure. Be curious. Again, audience participation. That used to be Coward's office right there on the right. Going right in, smack into Dunwoody. We're going to turn right here and go by one of the remaining hickory houses. I think is still open up here. We don't want to go over to Roswell Road on Mount Vernon, or I don't. Okay, I'm going to turn it off while we wait for the light. Okay, yeah, that was Shamley Dunwoody. I did remember correctly. That house has been the same, stayed there for, what, 70, 80 years? I don't know. Okay. Is the hickory house gone? Oh, I was thinking it was right here. Maybe down here on the left, or either it's gone one. I think it's gone. Fresh Market, I think that opened up as a Bruno's. But it's down on this corner here. Synovus. Yeah, Hickory House is gone. I thought there was one still here. That's what I get for thinking when I'm not used to it. Yeah, I don't like this stop and go. We're going to do something different here shortly. Okay, I'm going to go left up here at Roberts. I think it's Roberts. Now again, I've got to remember. We'll go down to yeah, this is going to be Roberts. We'll go down to Spalding, turn left. We're going to work our way over to 75 the quickest way we can, I think, and head on up to Cooper's Furnace at Lake Altoona. Is it Altoona or Allatoona? Did all those townhomes in there for the Marchmans? The subdivision here for the Cowards and Marchmans? Well, not that one, this one right here. Winfield. Win Hall. Winter Hall. Every one of them. Every one of those houses. All those townhomes to the right. Down here on the left and the right, and in this little triangle for the Cowards and Marchmans, Ed Pritchett, Charles Dempsey. I know some people watching these videos living in these houses. There's a subdivision to the left and right, Cowart and Marchman. Redfield. Again, we're going to go left right here. Get that bumper van off of us. All those houses in there to the right, all of them to the left. Okay. That subdivision there on the left too, Twin Branches. D branches or tree branches, whatever it was, that one there. We're going to cross 400 up here. Peachtree Dunwoody Road. Up there on the left, two houses. And they're still, look at all this stuff is still building and still developing, putting the wall up to quiet the sound. T-spliced. People voting taxes on themselves. I can't understand that myself. Throwbridge Drive. We probably ought to go that way. Okay, we're going to turn it off. Okay, when we get to Roswell Road, we'll turn this off and start another video. We didn't work on those in there, left or right. Or do we want to go straight across? I think we're going straight across. We're going to turn it off and we will start another one from here.